Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through the basics of DitherKit. This will be a short tutorial showing you how to use the tool and get started quickly. So let's jump right in. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see this interface. On the left side is the viewport where you can preview your artwork, and on the right side, you'll find all the controls. There are three main tabs: Design, Animate, and Extras. In this video, we'll focus only on the Design tab. We'll cover all the animation features in the next video. The Design tab is where you'll make all your visual adjustments and export static images. You can export your work as either a PNG or an SVG file. To get started, you can upload an image, a video, or even an OBJ file. If you just want to experiment, there's also a built-in demo scene. Let's load that now. As you can see, the demo scene is an OBJ model. You can click and drag to rotate it, and you'll notice that it already comes with some colors and parameters configured, so you can immediately explore the effects. Now let's start from scratch by uploading an image. As soon as I drag and drop a new image, it automatically replaces the previous file while preserving all the existing styles and filter settings. At the top, you'll also find options to remove the current file or reset everything back to the default values. Let's hit reset so we can explore the controls from a clean state. Now let's go through the available parameters. The filters are divided into two main categories: algorithms and shapes. Under algorithms, there are 8 different options to choose from. Each one produces a unique style, so it's worth trying them all to see what fits your project. For example, here's the ASCII filter where you can even customize the characters used to generate the effect. Below that, you'll find 3 important sections: adjustments, levels, and color mapping. We'll cover presets in a separate video. Inside adjustments, you'll find controls that let you fine-tune the dithering effect. You can modify the detail level, add padding, adjust the noise threshold, and experiment with several other parameters to create a wide variety of looks. Next is levels. Here you can adjust brightness, contrast, hue, and other image properties to further customize the output. Then we have color mapping, where you control the overall color theme of your design. By default, it's set to sample, which uses the colors from the original image while allowing you to change only the background color. You can also switch to grayscale, monochrome, duotone, or gradient modes. Let's look at gradient mode. Here you can choose anywhere from 2 to 6 colors by adjusting the slider, then customize each color individually to create your own palette. The other modes are fairly straightforward, so feel free to explore them on your own. With just these settings alone, you can create countless different visual styles. Now let's move on to shapes. Just like algorithms, there are 8 built-in shape types, along with support for custom shapes. Let's select circle and increase the padding a bit. When using shapes, you'll notice a few additional options such as fill, stroke, uniform shape, and rotation. Fill and stroke are pretty self-explanatory. The uniform option is particularly interesting because it keeps every shape the same size, meaning the sizes are no longer influenced by the brightness values of the source image. Finally, let's look at rotation. I'll switch the shape to arrow V2. Now, as I adjust the rotation slider, you can see that it changes the orientation of every shape, creating a completely different visual effect. And that's essentially everything available in the Design tab for now. One last thing worth mentioning. At the top of the interface, you'll also find theme switcher buttons, allowing you to change the app's appearance and even customize the accent colors. In the next video, we'll cover all of the animation features and video export settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.